on Thursday last week, rupee breached the 75.00 support level and registered an intraday low of 75.05, but the rupee recovered on Friday to trade in the earlier established range of 74.65 to 75.00. Exports fell 10.21% to USD 23.64 billion in July, its fifth consecutive monthly decline. During the April to July period, exports were down 30.21% from the year ago period. In order to contain the fall in exports, the intervention from RBI can be expected to continue to maintain a stable to moderately weaker exchange rate. The forex reserves of USD 535.25 billion as of 14/8/2020 constitutes close to 90% of the external debt of the country. Out of the forex reserves of USD 491 million, it includes the appreciation of euro, yen and pound besides the appreciation in gold reserves. The appreciation of non-dollar currencies in the reserve basket also contributed to the rise in foreign currency assets. At this point of time, we believe the central bank may be unwilling to allow any sharp appreciation in the rupee exchange rate in the background of exports picking up the growth momentum in the last 2 months period. Sustained foreign fund inflows and positive trend in the equity market supported the rupee to remain firm against the dollar. The fiscal impasse in US led to a weaker dollar, lending support to the rupee. With the BSE Sensex and Nifty looking to continue their winning streak, the rupee's firm trend against the dollar cannot be blocked, at least for the time being. The expectation of higher inflation in the next 3 months or so has led to an upward adjustment in money market yields and 10-year G-Sec yield. The money market yield curve up to 6-month maturities has shifted higher by about 35 BPs in the last one fortnight. We believe that any reduction in the lending rates of banks from the existing levels for various credit categories may not provide the required push to the borrowing entities in view of contraction in demand and supply side constraints. Although the liquidity position is very comfortable in the local money market, the status quo on key rates announced by RBI on 6th August 2020 was focused on their expectation of higher retail inflation in the current calendar quarter. The forward dollar premia across the maturities rose by about 30 BPs in the near-term forwards and about 25 BPs in the far forwards. The 3-month and 6-month forward dollar premia are currently quoted at 3.95% and 4.02% per annum respectively. A further marginal rise in forwards across the maturities can be expected in the coming weeks.